Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Nissan Motor Company Chief Operating Officer, Mr. Ashwani Gupta.
Thanks, Cody. Hello, everyone. How often can you describe a car with one letter? And that letter causes a smile, even joy. It was back on October 22, 1969, at the Pier Hotel here in New York City, that Nissan first showed an attainable and authentic new sports car for the masses, the Datsun 240Z. As a lifelong car enthusiast, it is my great joy and honor to be here in New York, this time in Brooklyn, to help write the next chapter of the story with all-new 2023 Nissan Z. I would like to welcome all of you watching around the world, from Fair Lady Z fans in Japan to the annual ZCon gathering in Colorado Springs. I thank you. You can see that when we said that the Z Proto was 95% the production car, we were not kidding. From nose inspired by 240Z to its long hood, distinctive profile, and 300ZX inspired taillights. When you look at this car, only one letter comes to your mind: Z. Like every generation before it, this is a modern interpretation of Z. This 7th generation model retains its authenticity as a pure sports car to keep you connected to the road while bringing in the latest modern technologies to make sure the car can help keep you connected to your life. Inside, you find that combination of new technology and classic sports car appeal. From the driver's seat, you will find a completely modern 12.3-inch digital meter display that has different modes of match your driving scene. When you look to the right, you will find a trio of analog gauges as well, a timeless Z Touch. Just below these gauges is a standard 8-inch or available 9-inch touchscreen display that will help you keep you connected with standard Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, available Nissan Connect with Wi-Fi, hotspot, and more. Under the hood is a twin turbocharged 3-liter V6 engine producing 400 horsepower and a 350 pound-feet of torque. It's smooth, powerful, and pulls hard in any gear. Now, speaking of gears, we continue to offer Z owners a choice. The Z comes standard with a 6-speed manual transmission with an all-new 9-speed automatic transmission with pedal shifters available as well. And regardless if you choose to shift gears for yourself or let the car do it for you, the Z is so fun to drive. But the new Z isn't just about engine and interior. The entire car, chassis, cooling, suspension, steering have all been tuned by our engineers around the world to make sure that the Z makes the driver truly feel one with the car. It is a true performance grand touring machine, ready to thrill Z enthusiasts and create a whole new generation of Z fans as well when it comes to market here in United States in spring of 2022. I know that you are all ready to come and take a look at this car. And I say this to you folk here and to enthusiasts all around the world. The Z has been and will be always the last word in the sports car. Thank you.